course, my name is Willard Swinson. I'm 63 years old as of last Sunday, and I'm a veteran of the United States Air Force, and I'm the son of a veteran. Thank you so much for helping me today. I really appreciate it. First thing I heard about it, they came to my house, two gentlemen, and told me that they wanted to tear my house down. Said that it wasn't up to code, and said it needed improvement. So I said, well, tell me what are the repairs you want me to do so I can get them done. And I'll be glad to bring up the code. They said, well, Mr. Swinson, we really want to tear the house down. Now, I'm asking why. They did not tell me specifically, tell me what repairs to make, only that it would cost a lot of money. And then they told me, well, you don't have enough money. They said, you're not financially able to do it. But they was adamant about tearing the house down. I don't know why. They also suggested that if I didn't comply with them, they could force me to pay for the destruction of the house, raise it up so high that I couldn't afford to pay the taxes on the land and everything. And they said specifically, you have to sell it to the church or to someone else next door. Told me I had 11 to 13 days to move out of the house. Being a law-abiding citizen, I knew that wasn't right, but if they said you got to go, you got to go. I had engineers and instructors come around and look at the house, and they estimated it. They said it was a lot of work to be done. It could be done. They said they would like to do it because it paid well. They said they weren't so sure about how the city felt about it because they feel like they had poisoned it already. No matter what type of work they did or how well they did it, they wanted to tear the house down. I joined a grant company online, and they had a bunch of grants coming up, and I brought them to the city council. I told them about it, and they said, well, you have to be in the house to receive those grants. And I said, well, I was in the house, but you illegally forced me out. That's the way I felt about it. So they said, well, Mr. Swinson, we'll give you enough time, and we're going to have to tear the house down.